Let's take a look at number 5. On Monday, we start the game, and you either win or you lose. At this point, there are 2 different outcomes. Okay, when we go down to Tuesday, if we won on Monday, we could win or lose. If Monday was a loss, we could win or lose. Notice there is win-win, win-lose, lose-win, lose-lose, which is 4 outcomes. All right, so what happens on Wednesday? On Wednesday, if we had won Monday, won Tuesday, then we have 2 options for Wednesday. We could win or lose. If we had won on Monday and lost on Tuesday, then for Wednesday we have 2 options, and so on. Notice there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 outcomes, which is 2 to the 3rd. So if we continue this pattern using the tree diagram, there's Thursday and there's Friday, and there will be 2 to the 5th outcomes. So there's 32 different ways we can play this game on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. So our probability that we win exactly 2 of the 5 games played in a week is going to be the number of ways we can win exactly 2 games out of 32 outcomes, because the 32 outcomes is the sample space. So our denominator is 32. Now we need just to know how many ways can we win exactly 2 ways. So come on down here and take a look at something. And this is not one of them. If you win Monday and Tuesday, that's 2. You have to lose the rest of them. So there's only one way to win exactly twice out of these 8. What about these 8? Out of these 8, these are the 3 ways you can win exactly 2. What about these 8? And finally, the last 8. All right, so that's a total of 1 way, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And we have our probability. Probability of winning exactly 2 of the 5 games is 10 out of 32, or 5/16, or 0.3125, or 31.25%.